Hello guys, you're welcome again to another After Effects tutorials, and today I want to show you how you can add a simple sparkling motion graphics to get more attention to your project. So support me on this one. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, then turn on the notification, come back, and then let's get started. Now in Adobe After Effects, I'm starting with a simple motion graphics like this. You can use any one at your disposal, or you can simply just create one. This is simple text with a solid layer revealing it. Go to the shape tool above here, pick the star tool, and then pull in. Make sure no layer is selected, then draw a shape like this. Expand the polystar option and then increase the inner radius. We're going to change these points to 4. You can use any number you want. Right click on the polystar, then convert to Bezier path. Then go to the pen tool right here. Then select the convert vertex tool. Use the vertex tool to pull out handles from the 4 vertices. Expand transform polystar 1. Then animate the scale from 0 to 100. Select your keyframe, hit F9 on your keyboard to ease. Select the polystar 1, Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Now hit U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframe and then offset the upper keyframe. Hit UU again to reveal the add property. Then click on it and then add merge path. On the merge path option, set it to subtract, and that is going to give you this. Beautiful. So hit R on your keyboard to reveal the rotation property. Alt click the stopwatch on rotation, then type in this code time asterisk 55. That is going to give you this. Beautiful. You can now duplicate it some couple of more times and position it randomly on your project. You can also select the last duplicate you made, hit U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframe and also randomize the scale. Now you have this sparkling motion graphics that can draw my attention to your motion graphics, but I'm going to show you one more time how you can do this without really using the polystar tool. Select the rectangular tool for this purpose. Make sure no layer is selected on your timeline, then draw a simple rectangle like this. Make sure you move the anchor point to the center. Then we're going to expand the rectangle transform option and then animate the scale from 0 to 100. Select your keyframes, hit F9 to ease. Select the rectangle one, Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Reveal your keyframe, offset the keyframe forward like this, the top keyframe. Then add a merge path option. On the merge path option, set the mode to subtract. Hit R on your keyboard to reveal the rotation, then alt click the stopwatch and add the time expression, time asterisk 55. That is gonna give you this. Go to the add option, then add poker and bloat. Change the value to a negative number. Negative 60 or from 55 to 60 is okay. This will all depend on what you want. You can equally duplicate this a couple of more times and then position them on your timeline. Doing this manually with the star tool gives the sparkling effect a different feel, and also if you use the rectangle tool and the bloat and the poker and bloat effect, it all gives it a different feel. This will all depends on what you want. To me, I prefer the first one using the manual, but in some cases this could be very fast and useful. and you can see it gives you a different feels sparkling effect to your motion graphic that can draw attention to your project. But if you want to do this very fast, you can use the AEJuice motion graphic asset pack. It is not free. You can find the link in the description, and this is an affiliate link. If you buy from them, it is going to support the channel. If you learned something new on this video, please hit the like button. That will enable the algorithm to suggest this to more people. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, and I'll reply to all questions as quick as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can support me in any way. You can give me super thanks, subscribe to my membership, whatever way you want to support me with. Even if you share the video, that is also a huge support, and it is highly appreciated. If you like the video, leaving a comment is all a support. So in whatever way you are able to support me, I highly appreciate you. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.